Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Medicare coverage plan with Medicare.gov, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit Medicare.gov in your web browser. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you do not have an account, click on Create an account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, navigate to the My Plans section on your account dashboard. Here, you will see information about your current Medicare coverage. To start a transfer, look for the option labeled Change Plans or Transfer Coverage. Click on that option to see a list of available plans. You can filter your search by plan type or coverage needs. Review the details of each plan, including premiums, benefits, and coverage options. Once you find a plan that suits your needs, click the Select or Enroll button next to that plan. Follow the prompts to provide any required information, such as personal details or coverage preferences. After submitting your information, review your selections carefully. Confirm your choice by clicking on the Submit or Confirm Enrollment button. You should receive a confirmation message on the screen, indicating that your transfer request has been processed. Make a note of any reference number or confirmation details provided. If you do not receive a confirmation message, check your email for further instructions. Keep an eye on your inbox for any updates regarding your new coverage. You may need to wait a few weeks for the transfer to take effect. Monitor your current and new plans to ensure a smooth transition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.